longer term, other than maybe something really short term on a pullback, from a technical standpoint, we are bullish on the markets. If we start to break those support levels that we're talking about, if Russell starts to break down under 1530, we still have a lot of support, but it's probably going to take a short-term run down to 1515 or to 1505 right in this area here before it pushes higher. If we get a breakdown, in the NDX past this trend line, again, we still have some fairly significant support at 6,200. I would expect a bounce there, even if we're going to go into a sideways market. The SPX, if we get a breakdown at this level here around 2670, we're probably coming down into like the 2620 area, again, a 50-point retracement. And none of this would change on a long-term outlook of being bullish, by the way. But this is just some short-term moves because, like I said, coming into the year, we really don't know what the institutions are going to do or whether they're going to push this. If they decide to push it down, we should at least see a bounce off the 6220 area. NDX, I think we talked about, yeah, we should see a bounce off of this area down here. Russell, if it breaks down, 1505, 1515 is going to be our support area there on a breakdown. And if the Dow breaks down, wow, it may even hold 24.5, which would be very bullish. But even a breakdown at 24,085 would be still bullish on the dailies. Long-term charts are extremely bullish out there. Short-term, we're a little indecisive back and forth. We'll have to see what the institutions do early in the week. So that's my thoughts on the market.